History of Independence. Renu and Rehan, after dinner, were watching TV along with their father. Soon after completing the kitchen work, Mummy comes and gets angry when she sees three of them watching TV. You three have not slept yet? Tomorrow is Independence Day. Have to wake up early in the morning. Children have to go to school. You have to go to office. And you're still watching TV?
Children, come on, go to sleep. You have to wake up early. Sleep now. We are also going to sleep.
Okay, Papa. Let's go, Renu.
Good night, Papa. Good night, Mummy.
Good night.
Children go away.
What happened? Are you not well today?
I have a pain in my head. You also wake up early in the morning. Don't trouble me.
Yes, why not? Tomorrow is very important day for us. Tomorrow our country got independence.
The country got independence. But I don't know when will I get independence from household work. Okay, I'm going to sleep. Mummy goes to the bedroom. It becomes morning. Alarm rings. Wake up, it's 5. I have to get the children ready.
Okay, you wake up the kids. I'm coming from washroom.
Make it fast. Don't take much time. After saying this, Mummy comes to children's bedroom. Renu, Rehan, wake up. You have to go to school.
Mummy, please let me sleep.
Today is Independence Day. You forgot?
Oh yes, we have to go to school. We have to hoist the flag. Wake up, Renu.
Renu and Rehan wake up. Go and come out of the washroom fast. By the time I will make tea. Saying this, Mummy runs towards the kitchen.
Archana!
What happened?
Where are my shoes?
Have a look, it must be there. All the work has to be done by me. Children, come here. Tea and biscuits are ready. Mummy comes to the dining table with biscuits. Renu, Rehan and Papa come.
Archana, hurry up. After dropping the children to school, I have to reach office.
Yes, it's almost done. Mummy gives tea and biscuits to Papa and children. 3 of them eat biscuits and tea.
Come on, children. We are getting late.
Bye, Mummy.
Bye, children. Bye. The 3 of them go. Oh God, this headache has started again. Let me take some rest. Finishing the Independence Day program, children come back home with Papa. Bharat Mata ki Jai!
Vande Mataram.
Vande Mataram.
In the hall, they find Mummy sleeping.
Archana, is your health more deteriorated?
You have come back? Oh, I haven't cooked anything yet.
Leave it. Did you eat anything?
No, not feeling well to get up.
It's okay. We will manage something. Children, wash your hands and come to the kitchen.
Children freshen up and come to the kitchen.
Children, what is there today?
Independence Day.
Right. What happened on this day?
We got independence.
Very good. So children, today we have to give your mummy independence from household work. She is not well today. We have to complete all the work. Come on, we will cook today.
Okay, Papa. Tell us what to do.
As per instructions, children offer helping hand to Papa and 3 of them cook together. After some time, food gets ready.
Mummy, food is ready. Come here.
What? Who made?
We 3 made this. Come on, come here and taste it.
3 of them sit at the dining table and start eating the food. Oh wow, the food is tasty. I didn't know you can cook food so well.
I didn't cook alone. There is hard work of children also.
Mummy, we forgot to say one thing to you.
What?
Happy Independence Day.
Oh, thanks. Same to you.
And Mummy, not only today, every day we will help you. And we will do all our works by ourselves. So that you don't have to worry.
Wow, hearing this, my headache has vanished.
Really, this Independence Day was special for me. We got freedom from Britishers, but for our work, We are dependent on you. We have snatched your freedom. From today, we all are independent.
भारत माता की जय.
Vande Mataram.
Republic Day. On the evening of 25th January, Gattu and Chinky came back to the house and were on their father's back.
Dad, please write. We have to give a speech on the occasion of Republic Day tomorrow. Mishra sir have given our names even without asking us.
Mom comes and says to Dad,
Just write it. Poor kids, they have been asking for so long.
"Alright, get the notebook." Gattu gives the notebook. Dad writes the speech for him. Go and mug up. Gattu leaves. Dad writes the speech in Chinky's notebook. And Chinky leaves to practice the speech. On the morning of 26th January, Gattu and Chinky got ready and leaves for school on the scooty with Dad. There was traffic on the road. All the people came out to hoist the flag and were speeding away their vehicles. Gattu, sitting behind his father, was in a different dilemma. He had forgotten all the speech and was trying to remember. Then a college student overtook them on his bike with speed and braked in front of them. Dad also stopped the scooty. Gattu Chinky noticed a senior woman was hit by the bike.
Hey boy, are you blind?
Are you blind?
If you have no manners to talk, then do not ride on the road.
I have rights. I can ride however I wish. Stay away from the road if you have problem with it. The boy leaves after saying this. The women also leave. Then Dad says, "Kids, you don't care about it. Concentrate on your speech." Dad starts the scooty and they start moving. Dad stops at the red signal, but the rest of the vehicles were moving non-stop even after receiving the signal. Gattu was noticing all this. How carefree is everyone. Here they break the rules and then give long speeches on the stage. Talking about speech, Gattu, do you remember the speech? Gattu's fear was gone after listening to Dad.
Dad, I forgot the speech. But now I know exactly what I have to say.
When Gattu Chinky reached school, the flag hoisting was over and the kids' speech was started. Seeing Gattu Chinky, Mishra sir came to them and said, "Is this any time to come? I thought you would not come. Chinky, it's your number. Go!" Chinky went on stage and started giving the speech. Hearing her speech, everyone present, chief guest and headmaster Pandey started applauding. After Chinky's speech got ended, it was Gattu's turn. Mishra sir moved Gattu forward. Gattu stood in front of the mic. Guests started looking at Gattu for the speech. That's what he will say now. Gattu starts speaking.
Everyone gave very good speeches, said very good things. My dad also wrote the speech for me yesterday, but I forgot it now.
After listening to Gattu, all students starts laughing.
But I know what I want to say. In our country, we have democracy. We have got the rights from the Constitution. We all fight for the rights. For that, we also go to courts. But are we serious about our duties? Today, we were late in coming to school because we stopped at the signal. Those who did not stop at the signal, they came on time for flag hoisting. Is this Republic? A rushing biker hit a lady and said that he will ride however he wishes and that is his right. Is this Republic? Today's ceremony is just a formality. If we want to celebrate the Republic Day for real, then we have to understand our duties along with our rights, and we also have to follow them. And only then will the Republic Day be truly successful. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
The speech of Gattu came to an end, and the applause started raining. All the attendees stood up and started clapping. because Gattu had explained to them the true meaning of the Republic.